So I've been waiting for this package for a minute now, and it just got here. It's a microphone I got off AliExpress, and I'm gonna do an unboxing video for it here and right now at the studio. Yeah, so let's see what's inside. Never seen it before. We'll find out and see what's inside. Yeah, so I already have a dynamic mic, and I just got this microphone, and it is a condenser microphone for my audio recording. I might use it for talking head videos, but I already have a podcast mic, and this is strictly for song recording. And I just thought I should unbox it here. So you see, the microphone is an Audio Technica 2020. Never used it before. It was recommended by still the same producer friend that told me to get the BOMG U202 audio interface sound card. Yeah, let's just dive into it. So this is the Audio Technica 2020 microphone. This is what it looks like, and I'm just getting it off the box. And yeah, this is good. This is good. This is good. I'm not even going to lie. I don't know anything about it. I've not used it before, but I just believe it's going to be a very good microphone for audio recording. Yeah, I know of the brand Audio Technica, but I've never seen or used their microphone before, and we'll see how this goes. After every product I get, I'll still come back and give a product review of what the product sounds like or how the experience while using the product. Yeah, honestly, I'm trying as much as possible not to get into acquiring gears. And the more I try, the more I realize that I need another gear for a particular task, like that I can't do without. So this is the box. This is the box. It has this nice, colorful package by the side, and I think it has instruction to something. Yeah, so and it has the microphone here, the Audio Technica AT2020, and the logo is boldly inscribed on the side. So let's get into the main microphone. Opening it up for the first time. I've been relaxed. I've been holding back when it comes to recording my songs, and I make promises every year. I have a lot of songs that are not yet recorded. Like always, these are just noise making, a lot of how to use the microphone, and I never read this. So I just figure out a way of how to use the microphone and all. So first, there's this purse-like bag that came inside the package, and I think it houses a couple of things. So it houses like something that is going to hold the microphone to the microphone stand. It houses this that is going to hold the microphone to the microphone stand, so that I don't know if this is in camera, it is in view. Yeah, so it has this pins, so it's gonna clamp the microphone to the microphone stand. Yeah, this is good. Let's drop this by the side. I like the fact that it came with this bag, this purse-like bag that you can just zip it and put the microphone and zip lock it and take it wherever you want to take it to. Maybe you want to record somewhere, you can go with this, and it has the logo inscribed on the purse, and it has this nice texture on the pouch or the purse here by the side. So this is the main microphone. This is the Audio Technica AT2020. Yeah, that's what it's called, AT2020. And I believe the 80 stands for the Audio Technica. That's why I called it Audio Technica 2020 initially. So this is a very good microphone. It feels premium. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels like a premium microphone. You have the logo there on the microphone body. It's metallic. It's kind of aluminum. I think it's so you can feel the body. You feel that it's metallic. It's not plastic. It's not. It has a premium build. I don't know if this can be opened. Well, it's me. I'll still find a way of seeing how to open it and see what's inside, the kind of stuff is built with. So this is also metallic. It's not plasticky. It's also metallic. And so that's about it. It's the Audio Technica AT2020 microphone, condenser microphone. I've seen a couple of YouTubers use this microphone. I think even, what's this guy's name of the DSLR shooter? I think I've seen him use this particular microphone before. Yeah, enough of the talk. That's the unboxing for the Audio Technica AT2020. And once I use the product and see how it works, if it's a good product, I'll come back to do a review about the product. Yeah. Once again, it's still your boy Kankaranamdi Benjamin, the professional apprentice, aka Pro App. Thanks for hanging out and sticking to the end. You know the motto, you know the slogan. Don't forget to put God first and create again. Peace, and I'm out.